What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Riptide by Vance. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I'll gallet gun your face off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the first fret. You're only using 4 different chords throughout the entire song, and if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the description below in the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump in the description, pick up your free ebook. This song is going to have one major chord progression that it pretty much uses throughout the entire song. Then there's a little bridge part where it changes up just slightly, and I'll tell you how that works, but for now we're going to start out with an A minor chord. It's going to be 002210. G major 320003, C major 032010, and then you are going to use an F chord during the bridge. It's going to be 13321, and then the way that I'm playing this, I'm muting the high E, but you can also use the bar chord if you want, but I'm using thumb on the low E on the first fret and then 3-3-2-1. So the major chord progression that's going to repeat throughout most of the song is going to be A minor, G, and C. And your strumming pattern for that is going to be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up throughout the entire sequence. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. So around minute marker 146 is when the bridge starts. It starts with this weird version of the C chord where start with your C and then add your pinky finger on the high E on the 3rd fret. And you can then actually just take your ring finger off. You don't even need it for what you're going to play for this, because it's doing this thing where you're hammering on to the 2nd fret of the D string, and then you're picking your G, your high E, your B, and your G again. So again, it's hammer on 0, 2 on the 2nd fret of the D string. Pick your G string, E string, B string, G string. And I want to say it does that 4 times. Then the bridge starts with this chord progression. It goes A minor, G, C, and then that F. It plays through twice, and then the last time you get to that F, you just strum it once. The strumming pattern through the rest of it is going to be the same as the beginning of the song, except for your A minor and your G and your F, you're staying on those chords twice as long as you were in the earlier part of the song. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you start in A minor for down, down, up, down, up, 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 A minor, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, G, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And like I said, you play through that entire chord progression twice, and then on the very last time that you get to the F, that'll be the 2nd time, you're just single strumming and letting it ring out. I'll show you what that looks like. Now from there, you're just single strumming through the original chord progression, just one time on each chord, and you're doing that entire thing twice, so it'll be... That's what happens right after the bridge, and then you jump back into the original chord progression. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.